Enjin Price Prediction 2025. Hey there, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about cryptocurrencies. Quickly, before we start, we have to tell you that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your research. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. The Enjin network has evolved from the gaming community that it was in 2009 to become a dominant force in the NFT industry. In order to allow developers to mint NFTs for use in their games, Enjin has developed a platform. NFTs must be created by minting the native cryptocurrency Enjin, which is a kind of Bitcoin. When consumers melt the tokens back down to their initial Enjin investment, the currency gains real-world value, as previously stated. Enjin also provides a platform for people to interact with one another. It enables players to purchase, sell, and trade things that they have earned while participating in any Enjin-supported game on the Internet. The year 2021 was an exciting one for the Enjin platform, with a slew of new collaborations and a jump in the value of its coin. First, let's take a look at the price history of Enjin before making any predictions about its future. So far, the narrative has been told. Enjin was released on November 1, 2017, at a price of 0.02 cents, and during the first 3 years of its existence, the currency battled to break over the $1 resistance barrier. However, when Enjin introduced its mobile wallet in January 2018, the price of the cryptocurrency increased. The wallet not only provides a convenient method to store NFTs and Enjin, but it also supports more than 600 ERC20 tokens in total. Enjin coin reached a high of 0.44 cents on January 6, 2018, the day the wallet was introduced. After the introduction, Enjin plummeted to below 0.01. Although it recovered some of its losses in the weeks leading up to a Binance event in June. Enjin announced in June that it will be able to be exchanged for BNB, the native cryptocurrency of Binance. To mark the occasion, Enjin announced that it would be giving away Enjin 1M, which was valued at $98,000 at the time of the announcement. The stock of Enjin did not rise over 0.10 cents for the following 9 months. Enjin announced a collaboration with Samsung in March 2019, and a statement said that Enjin was Samsung's preferred wallet. The stock finally surged in March 2019. Enjin has promised to help Samsung with the development of its own blockchain wallet, which would store cryptocurrency using a secure private key management system, according to the company. After the news broke on March 8, 2019, the price of Enjin soared to 0.21 cents. As a result of the news, the coin's value dropped once again, and it took more than a year for Enjin to reach the 0.20 cent level. During the month of May, the price of Enjin had a brief rise, with the stock reaching 0.23 on May 28, 2020. However, for the remainder of the year, it remained between 0.10 to 0.20 a share. Current price. There has been a $271,629,951 USD trade volume in Enjin coin today, according to the current live price of the coin at $2.04 USD. Our Enjin to USD exchange rate is updated in real time. In the past 24 hours, Enjin coin has gained 0.95% in value, with the current market capitalization of $1,744,555,260 USD. The current coin market cap ranking is number 61. This cryptocurrency has a current circulating supply of 854,696,206 Enjin coins and a maximum available supply of 1 trillion Enjin coins. When looking for places to buy Enjin coin, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading an Enjin coin stock are currently Binance, OKX, BitGet, FTX, and Bybit. If you want to know where to buy Enjin coin, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading an Enjin coin stock are currently Binance, OKG, BitGet, FTX, Bybit, Other cryptocurrency exchanges are included in our cryptocurrency exchanges page. A bullish 2021. Enjin was experiencing a positive trend in 2021, and the company was able to maintain this momentum for the most of the year. The price of Enjin began to rise at the beginning of March, when Huobi announced that it will be launching the cryptocurrency and held a staking event. The event began on March 15th and ended on March 16th and was held across 2 days. Users who deposited and staked Enjin were eligible to get prizes of up to Enjin 43,000 in certain cases. Enjin was on a tear in the weeks leading up to the event, and the price had risen beyond $1. This trend persisted, and on the first day of the event, Enjin soared to $2.69, a record high. There was no decline in the value of the dollar below $2, and it rose even higher the next month. When Coinbase began listing Enjin on its exchange in April, the price of the cryptocurrency experienced another surge. On April 9th, the day of the listing, the price of Enjin reached a high of $4 before settling at $3.45. In May, the price of Enjin fell below the $1 mark, but a brand engagement experiment was able to raise the price by a small amount. In a series of digital advertisements and social media postings, Enjin distributed 50,000 unique NFTs for brands. This demonstrated a novel manner of interacting with prospective consumers. When the experiment first began, the price was almost as high as $2. However, it began to fall the following day and continued to fall over the next several months. It was just a matter of time before another surge appeared. Enjin announced in late August that it will be cooperating with Blockster, a cryptocurrency social network. Prior to Blockster's public debut, Enjin provided up to 400,000 NFTs to early Blockster users as a thank you for their support. Another notification came in August, this time stating that the cryptocurrency will be ready for trading on the Bitstamp platform. Following the announcement, Enjin rose to $2.15 on August 23rd. In November, the Enjin cryptocurrency managed to burst past the $3 barrier for the second time and hit a high new watermark. When Enjin hit an all-time high of $4.82 on November 25th, it was a record day. Since then, the stock has dropped, and on December 1st, it ended at $3.54. By the 7th of January in the year 2022, the coin was worth $2.41. Because the Enjin token is a metaverse token with widespread adoption and high utility, it is likely to be a major attraction for investors in the future. Based on market capitalization data from CoinMarketCap, it is presently ranked 6th among metaverse tokens in terms of total market capitalization. Prediction about the price of Enjin. The Enjin token had a 15,000% increase in value between the beginning of 2021 and its all-time high of $4.82 in November. While technical indicators such as the stochastic RSI and the CMF predict a favorable trend in the near future, the stock market has suffered some significant losses during the course of 2021. The SMAs, 10 days or more, do, on the other hand, suggest a negative trend in the short to medium term. It is crucial to remember that technical indicators may not provide precise representations of all current market circumstances in every situation. Predictions for the price of Enjin coin in 2022. Keeping up with the same positive tendency, there are expectations that Enjin coin would have a resurgence as early as the next year, i.e. 2023. Observing the rising pattern of Enjin USD, particularly how it is trading, it is clear that the price of Enjin coin, ENJ, will continue to rise in tandem with the same positive trend, eventually reaching its main resistance mark of $4.05 in the process. This would be a price that is very close to the present all-time high. For the next year, Wallet Investor predicts that the currency will be worth $4.93, and for the next 5 years, the coin will be worth $13.12. This year's Enjin coin price prediction is $5, while the long-term Enjin coin price prediction is an optimistic $13.12 for 2027, according to the Enjin price forecast for 2022. Predictions for the price of Enjin coin in 2023. According to our negative market price forecast, Based on the analysis of shorter and longer-term price patterns, it is quite probable that the end of 2022 or the beginning of 2023 will not be favorable for Enjin coin. The price of Enjin coin is anticipated to rise to $5.06 in the near future, generating a profit. Price prediction for Enjin coin in 2024. Enjin coin is projected to control the cryptocurrency market once again, this time with the performance of the future price fixed at $6.07, based on historical data and our own study, which concludes that a jaw-dropping potential does not exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. This is the same as the prediction made at the conclusion of the previous year, demonstrating that Enjin coin has the capacity to not only survive, but also expand continuously even under the terrible circumstances that now exist in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industries. Price prediction for Enjin coin in 2025. The Enjin coin's exchange value is anticipated to reach $7.06 by all means, according to our technical analysis and price forecasts. This year might be the benchmark year, according to our technical analysis and Enjin price prediction. This is primarily due to the fact that no critical factors such as pandemics or recessions are expected to shake the foundations of world economies this year, and it is anticipated that the majority of the damage done will be on the road to recovery in financial assets as well as digital reality assets. Enjin will achieve an average price of $10.55 per share by 2025, according to price prediction. However, at the time of writing, its Enjin price projection for 2030 predicts an average price of $62.60, with a peak of $90.95 in 2031, with a minimum price of $62.60. Thanks for watching. For more of such videos, ensure you subscribe and hit the notification bar.